Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. Today this video is super exciting for me because this product has literally blown my mind. I was not expecting it to be this good, but when it turned out to be that good, I was like, I had to tell you guys how beautiful this product is. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I see some of you subscribed recently. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and giving time to watch it. I really appreciate you guys supporting me, and the comments on my last video was really amazing, and it was so inspiring for me to come up with better videos all the time. And if you haven't checked out my last videos, it is somewhere right here. Do take time to check that out. I had reviewed one of the foundation and concealer from a really good line that is called EX1. I appreciate you guys taking time to watch it. If you are new here, thank you for joining me and taking time to watch this channel. Definitely subscribe over here and click that bell notification and let me know your thoughts on this video. If you guys want me to try out any new product, let me know. I'll be definitely trying those out. Okay, so I know this brand from long while, and recently on Instagram there are a few pages which sell all these international products at a decent price. And I was going through their page and I saw this sponge and I was like, do I really need to try this? And then later I made up my mind because it's not that expensive, so I picked it up. It came to me within like 2-3 days. This product is outstanding. You guys need to try this one. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm talking about. This is JUNO Co Microfiber Rose Velvet Sponge. This is the packaging. It comes in like a plastic simple package, nothing very impressive, and it came with a leaflet. We never read all these things. I mean, who does that? So this is the packaging, which has very less details, I would say, not much. Achieve the ultimate in foundation coverage with this makeup brush plus blender fusion sponge. Save 50% more makeup product and spend 50% less time applying with our innovative design, perfect for blending in all formulas. So the material of this sponge is hydrophilic polyurethane, I don't know what is that, an antimicrobial microfiber. So it means that it won't have bacteria created on that, because if you use the sponge there might be bacteria on your sponge. After some time, if you don't wash it and don't keep it in clean places, it could create bacteria, but I guess they say that it will not happen in this one. Designed and developed in US, made in China, and then nothing more. Like, that is all we have over here. To show you the sponge itself, this is how it looks. It was not like this. You can go to my Insta page and see the very initial thing. It was all baby pink, beautiful color. I used it today to apply this makeup, so I can't help it but to show you in this way. I'm really sorry if this looks bad. I've applied most of the product today through this sponge, and this was like this big when it was dry, so I wet it, and this is like really lightweight, guys. I mean, sponges are anyways very lightweight and they are very easy, but this is really lightweight. Like I don't feel anything in hand. Now this is not the only color we have in. There is one which is very popular, which was the first sponge JUNO Co came out with. This company is like very new in the beauty market, at least like a 1 year, like that's the maximum, 1 year or 8 months something I know about this brand. So this company came out with a blue sponge which became extra popular, and then they came out with pink. So when I had the option to choose between the blue one and the pink one, I chose pink because they say it's 30% softer, so who doesn't want much more softer sponge? I picked this one and I'm glad I did that. I'll tell you in a minute why. And the price of this sponge is 422 rupees. So can you imagine a sponge like this, 422 rupees? It's really affordable. Now even when you compare it with the Real Technique and the giant beauty blender cost, one piece will cost you around $20, so I think that is approx 2000 rupees. Then if you talk about the Real Technique, that will cost you around 470 rupees, 60 rupees, something according to the current price of dollar. But if you talk about this one, this is much more cheaper than both of them. Like, it's close to Real Technique, but if you get two you will have some discount, something like that is going on, but it is then again cheaper than the Real Technique and the Beauty Blender. And let me tell you one thing, it's softer than both of those. I have my Real Technique right here with me. It is, you can see, right? I know it is dry, but again there is like a hard foam in there. But if you squeeze this one, like see what I'm doing, this is like the squishiest and the softest material I came across, and this is called velvet sponge. So ideally the name is justified because it's like a velvet on skin. So it's really softer comparing it with the other blender. I really like that thing. Now it is not available in India, which is, you know, a downside for all of us. Some Instagram pages which I trust, and I'll link them below. They usually stock up on this and give on a very affordable price, so you can pick this up. I'm definitely gonna get a backup so you can understand how much I'm loving this. So this is how it is. So I'll insert a clip right here where you guys will see me applying the foundation, concealer and the powder with this sponge. Trust me, a lot of makeup items can be applied through this. So this is a multi-purpose sponge and I was so damn impressed by the result, everything. So you gotta see for yourself, right? So I'll be back in a minute. You guys check that out. So if you guys ask me, I will prefer this one over any other sponge I have tried till date, and trust me, I have tried a lot. This is the softest, cheapest, and the airbrush look, right? What they talk about. Now let me read it out from their website what they say about this sponge, because I forgot to do that initially. So let me go. The blue one looks like this, as you can see. That was the original they created, but then they created the pink one, which is much more softer. They say meet the JUNO Co Fiber Velvet Sponge. If you are looking for a more natural airbrush foundation finish, the JUNO Co Fiber Velvet Sponge is your go-to. Made with velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlling stippling, the velvet sponge provides buildable coverage fast. Same awesome JUNO Co Microfiber technology, new shape. Sit wet for liquid foundation, concealer and contour, and dry for bronzer, powder bronzer, blush and highlighter. So I agree with that. On that part, because when I applied the foundation and the velvet, after some time it became dry, and when I used my powder and everything, it automatically became dry, because that's how the sponge will go, right? After foundation and like the concealer, these will become like a quite dry, and then I applied my powder, my highlighter and the blush. So I say highlighter was not the most impressive part. I could not apply it really well with this one, but everything else is awesome. Like, I have to pick another one of this and keep a backup all the time, because you see this airbrush look is the result of this. I just use brush for like my eyeshadow, and I used my mascara and the lipstick. Only for highlight I had to go for a brush, but other than that, everything you can do with this. So if you are on a hurry and if you want to do your makeup in just like 5-10 minutes and you don't have much time to, just use this one. Just use this product, guys. You will be sorted, like a lot sorted than having no makeup or running with wrong makeup. Better use this one. It will save time. It will save a lot of money, like a lot of money. Who doesn't want to save money, right? I'm not saying that Real Technique wasn't the best. Like, it is really soft. It really applies the foundation well. But when you compare this with this, I think this is the winner for me. I wasn't expecting that much out of this product. The way it applied, it's actually an airbrush finish, and I have used just the EX1 foundation. Just imagine if I've used something like a Huda foundation or the other one, the JUNO foundation, which are high coverage. I don't think I would even need the concealer, because this thing keep everything in place, and with a full coverage thick foundation you will have everything covered, so you will need less product. Because with the brushes, those foundation does not apply so well, you know, they apply okay but not the best. But this one, they will play well with those foundation as well. So this sponge is awesome. If you guys want to purchase this, I'll place the link in the description box with the Instagram page from where I bought it. There is a website they have created which is very easy. You can just place the order like you'll do in any other website, and I will also place the JUNO Co website link where you can buy it if you're outside India. You guys need to try this. This is outstanding. Like, I don't even know how to put this in words, but you guys definitely need to save $12 to pick at least 2 of these, because they're amazing. They are goddamn amazing. So that is all my review is on this video. I hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed this product and I loved it so much. The first impression, my first impression for any product, like except the foundation, in terms of brushes and sponge, has never been this exciting, because this thing is amazing. It's just simply amazing. So that's all I have for you guys today. That's a quick simple first impression. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, you know what you have to do. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time very soon. Take care of yourself and be happy. I'll see you very soon.